So y'all know it's not a miss.
Thank you, miss. Damn.
So that's cool.
It's alive!
What's going on, guys? Well, I did not actually plan on making a vlog today, but we here and stuff is too cool and I got a vlog. So we are up here at Atlanta Motorsports Park, A&P, and they got Drift HQ here doing a big old drift event, and I'm getting some ride-alongs today. So right here, we're over with Jordan Arcade Tunes. He's vlogging too right now, so I'm vlogging on his vlog, and about to go ride with him, and hopefully get some other rides and see where this day goes. So if it's kind of all over the place, my bad, wasn't planned, but you know, I got a camera on me. So I also bought my own helmet, so shout out to Bridge Moto, because I always rent their helmets when I go to drift event, but since I drift now, I kind of need my own, so I bought one. Got an open face so I can talk to y'all at all times with the GoPro on my side of the helmet, you know how I usually do, and then yeah, let's go have some fun.
Quiet. Not that clear all these faults real quick with my dash. We're not gonna worry about that.
Good way to start.
Nah, it stalled out.
I know. Truck is fast as shit. Damn.
It's fast, right? I probably could have stayed in it the whole downhill, but I was like, I was gonna kill tire for no reason, you know, to try to like keep it going down the whole downhill. But it feels pretty quick, right?
Yeah,
it's just moving.
Yeah, this is a fucking fast ass track.
And this part, you're definitely supposed to be in fourth gear, but it's just too much. The clutch is giving me so many problems. I'm scared to even attempt shifting. I'm just gonna like grind gears. Is that what you expected?
No, it was faster than I expected.
I warned you. I was like, this is fast. It's fast for me, and I'm driving. And crazy angle, right?
Yeah, yeah,
like,
yeah.
And I can get, it's not even like maxed out. It gets absurd angle. But this part you can fucking drift. Can you imagine like just steamrolling, clicking forward, then just like. But I'm definitely out of tires. We'll drive back and see if my tires ready. And it's like, I think less angle, a little less smoke, but like way faster with new tires. What do you think? Crazy, right?
I feel it pretty dope. This is sick. This is a pretty sick track.
Thank you. I know, it's like, my car's so quiet.
And I'm alive.
And you're alive. Yes, you're alive.
How are you? Doing all right?
Good, bro.
All right, guys, I got to show you something real cool, right? So remember when I drove that E36, the LS Turbo one, had 800 horsepower drift car? Well, if you remember in that video, he was transferring everything over to a E92 chassis. Well, he finally got that thing done, and it's right there. So congrats on that. Let's go check it out. So as you see, everything is done, and this is his first time out, you know, testing it and everything. He said it runs good and everything. Doesn't have a passenger seat, otherwise I'd be trying to ride in it. But yeah, he did everything by himself in the garage. So I mean, he has a YouTube channel too. You can follow it at Blake Builds, and you can go watch his progress and updates or anything he does, or go back and watch him build the whole thing. And yeah, that's sick. So he did all that in the garage, man. That's dope. Congrats on Blake. I'm happy to see that thing out. First time driving it.
That goes glove box. Oh, we got the half burger. Let's crank that AC right quick.
Fast. This is my first time in this one.
Yeah, man. I just wrapped up, put
putting a 3076 on it like 2 weeks ago or so.
How much power is it making now?
Not tuned. It's probably sitting around like 420 or something.
That's not bad.
Yeah, I haven't even put a standalone on it yet. It's mine's tuned ECU with like boost cut, deleted and shit on it.
Damn.
Literally just turned up the boost until the AFRs were good. Sitting around 18 pounds. That's solid. So the grip did not help on that because I couldn't make it up that hill like it did before.
Like I said, I brought all my cameras, so I got a bunch of GoPros on this car now, so I'm basically his cameraman. So you'll see it on my vlog, and you'll probably see the same clips on his vlog too. So I always wanted to see what those swivel mounts look like, so maybe I'll get one in the future. So I'll put one on Jordan's car, so let's see what it looks like, shall we? Play. event stopped at 6 o'clock, and I was so busy, you know, just hanging out and talking to people that I forgot I was vlogging. So yeah, that's end of this video. Hopefully you guys were entertained. I didn't do as many ride-alongs as I wanted to. There was everybody had a long line of people that wanted to ride with them. So, and the ride-along process took so long because you had to drive on track and, you know, stage and all that stuff. I mean, it just took a long time for everybody to try to get a ride. So, you know, I just hung out and yeah. So thank you, Jordan. Thank you, Johnny Prophet, and see you guys in the next video. I'll be at that track one day. I'll drift that event. If they do that event again next year, and I keep growing, and getting better at my driving, then maybe I'll be there. So deuces. See you in the next one.